Haywan at Crystal's Cozy Bird and Squirrel Diner. I'm investigating a mystery. A big one. Why is this mix of sunflower seeds and cooked white rice so irresistibly perfect? Strong texture, good shine. Smells suspiciously fresh. Strictly for analysis, not snacking. Focus. Rice sample appears soft, fluffy, expertly cooked. Crystal may be hiding elite culinary training. This grain refuses to talk. Typical. Looks innocent, but smells guilty. The combination, seed crunch plus rice softness. It's almost too good, like it knows I'm watching. No, don't fall for it. Stay professional. Okay, listen. A detective has to taste the evidence sometimes. But my investigation is clear. Crystal's food mix isn't just good. It's engineered for maximum bird happiness. I will continue searching for answers and resisting snacks. Mostly resisting.